Hi guys, good to see you again in February. This is Oleg, your real estate broker with Bellevue comments. This episode is going to be my February market update for all Seattle and all Eastside locations. So buckle up and we will review together what's happening in residential market in those neighborhoods. And I will start with mortgage interest rate. Mortgage News Daily shows we have over 7% on the market right now. Currently 7.13% for 30 years fixed mortgages, and mortgage rate is increased. This slide shows you guys months supply of inventory, and you guys can see yellow color again. Yellow color, it's less than 2 months supply of inventory. You guys remember, right? To have balanced market, we have to have between 2 to 4 months supply of inventory. If we don't have this in Seattle area right now, we have less than 2 months supply of inventory, which represents mostly sellers market. And that's why in majority of areas currently over 50% homes selling in less than 15 days on the market. But where we see green color balanced market, green color we currently see in West Bellevue. West Bellevue, very expensive prices with medium close sale price $3.5 million for house, and currently we have a lot of listings in rental location. Let's review together more detailed data for Seattle's east side, then we're going to review detailed data for Seattle neighborhoods. When we start with Seattle's east side, it's east from Lake Washington. All those cities include Bellevue, Kirkland, Redmond, Sammamish, Issaquah, Bustle. All those cities combined together, we have right now 1.5 months supply of inventory. That's not a lot of inventory. We need more inventory, and we have very low supply right now in those locations. And currently in Seattle's east side, medium close sale price $1,709,000. Ouch! It's a lot of money. And increase, if you compare it to last year, what's happening a year ago, the price increase for 17% year over year. And again, why this happening in Seattle's east side right now? Because we have lack of inventory and we have high demand to buy homes in those locations. 31% homes in Seattle's east side selling above asking price, 17% at asking price, and 22% of home sellers have to reduce price before they was able to sell the property. People who negotiate price, they negotiate about 4% from the selling price, and people who pay above asking price pay approximately 6% above asking price. And 22% of home sellers have to reduce price before they was able to sell the property. People who negotiate price, they negotiate about 4% from the selling price, and people who pay above asking price pay approximately 6% above asking price. Alright, what is our anticipation for housing market? What's going to be happening with prices in Seattle east side? And historically, prices increased starting from January to April for about 12% for last 5 years, and anticipation for 2025 are the same. Price is going to be increased for $46,000 a month in February, March, April, all the way till the May, and I think in May price is going to be freeze and going to be pretty much similar till next cycle, 2026 year again. Let's dive in together to more detailed Seattle data. You guys can see with me on the screen right now, we have 1.5 months supply of inventory in all Seattle neighborhoods, with medium close sale price at $157,500, and price decrease for 1% comparable to year ago. So year ago we have for 1% for $8,000 price higher in Seattle. What's happening in Seattle? If you guys can see inventory comparable to last year same time we have 1 month supply of inventory. This month 1.5 month supply of inventory, and prices is slowing down, and that's why it's decreased for 1% year over year. 22% homes in Seattle neighborhoods selling above asking price, 18% sold at asking price, and 21% homes selling below asking price in Seattle neighborhoods. People who negotiate price in Seattle neighborhoods negotiate about 4%, and people who pay about asking price pay 3% above asking price in order to win in this competition. what's going to be happen in Seattle spring market in 2025. Our anticipations, prices going to be increased for about 12%, and probably in May prices going to be slowing down and probably stay steady for rest of 2025. With new cycle again in 2026. We'll see what's going to be happening with mortgage interest rate. Right now it's talks about decreasing mortgage rates for a lot, but those just talks. We don't know if that's going to be happen or not. But if mortgage rate is going to be reduced for 1 or 2%, that's going to be dramatically impact real estate market in our neighborhoods, and prices going to be skyrocket for 20% this year. But if that's not going to be happen, we're probably going to see 11-12% increase this year, and we're going to be happy with that. Okay guys, to wrap up this episode, I can tell you majority of sellers preparing a house for sale for about 6 months, and that's why the listing property for sale in the market in January, February, March, April, May. Most people listed in April and May because they try to get top buck for the house. And when those properties sell, and you guys can see this slide on the screen, the usually prices increase every year, and after May prices usually freeze up, and sometimes even we have price reductions in August when people start going to vacations, and in December right before the New Year's. Those normal cycles I see in Seattle neighborhoods for last 25 years. I hope this information was helpful for you guys to understand should you buy a house right now or not, or maybe wait. And if you guys need help, reach out to me. I will be love to be your real estate resource. I will be love to be your advisor who will help you to make your choice, decide where to buy, what to buy, and where to invest your money in Seattle neighborhoods. With that guys, have a fantastic week. Until next episode.